Hi guys. Scrub laptop stand. EPN laptop riser with heat vent to elevate laptop. Adjustable height laptop stand holder with slide-proof silicone and protective hooks, for MacBook Pro, Air, dark gray. Ergonomic adjustable design laptop stand. Laptop users are often found hunched over their computer, straining forward to see or leaning in to type, which can, over time, cause tension and unhealthy strain on the body. The adjustable laptop stand for desk elevates your laptop screen for a perfect eye level, help to reduce neck and shoulder pain, back pain and eye strain, and promotes proper posture while sitting. Laptop riser with the hole on the top that increase airflow going toward your laptop. Also the Scribble laptop stand rubber pads raise your laptop. Thanks for watching video. If you are interested in this, subscribe to our channel.